Hi, I'm Dick.
Hi, I'm Sue.
And we're up early today. What is it, 5 in the morning?
Try 8:30.
Okay. Heading up a streamside riparian area. Yeah, we love to walk along streams because the sounds of birds that typify this environment. Shrub lined streamside vegetation here. MacGillivray's warbler.
Sounds like a MacGillivray's.
Sounds like a MacGillivray's. Ooh, what's that over there? One of your favorite.
Warbling Vireo?
Warbling Vireo. What do you think that says?
It says, first you see it, then you seize it, then you squeeze it till it squirts.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it says to me.
It says to me. How about that? Warbling Vireo and MacGillivray's. Cool. MacGillivray's. The way you often see MacGillivray's is just this dark greenish yellow blob in the middle of the shrubs with a nice broken eye ring. Way up the hill there in the conifers is a better view of MacGillivray's. What a handsome Western icon. Running water and warbling song equals Warbling Vireo. So what should we look for in this Warbling Vireo besides that song? What does it look like?
Drab.
Drab? Ooh, there's that chicken sparrow. Drab?
Yeah.
I think it's handsome.
Okay.
All dull gray,
Dull gray.
but with a cool white stripe, eye stripe. It's not really an eye stripe, it's just sort of a lightened line above the eye. It's the all-time deciduous vegetation bird. It's in aspen, cottonwood, streamside riparian, and that's it. Well, that's another good day of not bird watching, but bird listening.
Yeah, that was awesome. Well,
where are we going tomorrow?
Oh, I don't know.
What do you want to see?
We might just go somewhere really beautiful like this.
To see what?
Oh, yellow warbler.